Okay.
This done?
Done.
Okay.
Okay.
On the app that we use to buy used phone, I found this iPhone 13 Pro Max, which has a broken screen. Is it possible to use AI model like ChatGPT to repair this phone screen? This is going to save me around $150 if I go to official iPhone repair shop. To find out if it's possible, I'm going to first get instructions from ChatGPT, which I'm gonna then follow to replace this broken iPhone 13 Pro Max screen. In addition to this display that I bought, I also have these screwdrivers which I previously owned, so I did not need to buy new ones. And I'm going to use this hair dryer to remove adhesive from the phone case. Now, with these three simple things, can I repair this iPhone and save around $150? Let's find out. Now I've got instructions that I have to follow from ChatGPT. Let's try and find out if it's possible to repair your iPhone screen using ChatGPT instructions. But first, let's check if what I ordered is what I received. Now let's repair this phone together. Our project is halfway done because I removed the screen, but there is a slight problem. This screen right here, which is broken, is not the original screen, which means it lacks proximity sensor. And when you are calling a person, your phone cannot turn the screen off and on depending on where your phone is or the distance between your phone and your ear. And also, I think the face lock cannot work because of those sensors.